Hey y'all, so today I'm out here with Jack White and Don Casey, getting to be known as the test team, and we're going to do some testing on the new Autel Evo2 Dual, and this is going to be a BVLOS handoff, meaning that flying under COA, we're out here at the designated Mansfield training grounds, and sometimes we might need to do go beyond line of sight from the origin, say a hazmat type situation or something like that, and someone downrange might need to be able to pick up the controls and have control of the aircraft. So the Autel Evo2 Dual with 2 controllers allows us to have that capability. And here's what we're going to do. Jack we're going to get in my truck and we're going to go take a little drive to what would be beyond line of sight for Jack, or just before beyond line of sight, and then whenever it gets within range, Don is going to take over controls. I'm just going to control the camera on this one, and we're going to continue to fly it beyond, and then we'll have Jack on the phone and he'll tell us when it's actually beyond his line of sight, and everything still stays safe and legit and everything else. So all right, Don, are both y'all ready to go? Have your system? Yep. So it's getting a little bit dark here. We have the Evo2 Dual. We have the anti-collision light on top of that. And so, Don, let's go ahead and get in the truck, and we'll take a little drive. You know where? Once you go, center parking lot. Oh, straight over. Okay. Go pick it up whenever it flies over. That's fine. So fast also. What do you say? Okay. Thanks for getting there. Let's go ahead and start. You got the phone?
Ready?
All right, Jack. Yeah, you ready? All right. So hang on. Let me just show them what we have here. So we have Jack on the phone. So we're in constant communication. He is still back at the police department. We took a little drive down the road here, and we are right now beyond line of sight. We cannot see the aircraft anywhere. Go ahead and start sending it our way, Jack.
About 163 feet. Just heading your way.
Okay. All right, so we actually have connection with the aircraft now. And hey, here it is, and I actually have it in line of sight now. So, all right, so we'll go ahead and take over. Go ahead and take over, Don. So we have it right here. All right, so Don has it. Can you still see it at this point? Okay. So at this point, Don has control and Jack can't see it. So go ahead and keep sending it that way, Don. So this would be the case where Jack would actually not be able to fly this out here because it's beyond his visual line of sight, but yet we can keep on going. Let's see if I can find it here in this little camera screen. It's in there somewhere. Keep on going. Okay, so there it is. All right, now what we want to do, just to reverse this, so Don went out probably another maybe about a quarter mile, maybe a little, almost towards a half a mile away. So now go ahead and turn around and send it back to Jack going the other way. So what we're really doing is we're daisy chaining the controllers in this case. All right, let me come back over here. And so here we go. We have Don. Keep on heading towards Jack. And so he's going to keep sending it towards Jack. And then whenever you have it in line of sight, let us know, and then we'll let you take over control. So just so everybody knows, Jack is way over here. You got it? All right. So we're gonna let Jack take over control now, and it's now out of our line of sight. I can no longer see it with my eye. Yep, you've got control. And he's going to bring it in. Very good. All right. So there we go. Successful test. You can successfully daisy chain 2 controllers on the Autel Evo2 Dual. Cool. Good deal.